Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May the 1st, 2018, and we're going to be starting some squash seeds early today. Now, squash, zucchini, your vegetable squash, the planting for them is all pretty much the same. We're going to be doing these in hills here, and this is what squash seeds look like. So I'm going to be doing 5 to a hill, and I'm just pushing them in with my finger. They go about an inch deep, the pack says, and these hills, they've had compost mixed in with them, and we've also mixed the Epsoma Garden Tone organic plant food in with it. And you want to really mix your soil in good with all the compost and the plant food so you don't burn your roots. So you basically just kind of like turn everything together, and then you make your hills, and then you can plant in them. So that's how we plant our seeds here. And our soil is moist, so within 7 to 14 days, now that can vary depending on the weather conditions, if it gets cold or if it gets dry. So you can water these if you want to. They should come up for us. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.